Thank you, Hummingbird, for sending this item to check out. This is the MK17 Professional Foil Shaver and Trimmer, the DualPro with the quick swap modular blade system. Unbox it. Let's see what's inside. Shave smarter. Here we have the 4 trimmers, the 12, 9, 6, and 3mm. The wide blade precision trimmer, gold titanium. The charging dock where you can place the precision trimmer along with the guides. The USB-C to USB-C cable. Then we got the Hummingbird sticker, user guide, warranty card. Almost threw away this cleaning brush, it was hidden in the bag. Then we have the MK17, has this cover for the heads. A little heavier than I thought. It does have some weight to it. Feels like I'm holding a charging block. Here at the end, you can connect it to the USB-C cable, or you can connect it to the charging dock right here. The cable connected here. Foil heads have the gold titanium, and they do move independently from each other. But here we have the power button. And right now it's at 9,000 RPM, 99% power left. Let's press this button, see what happens. Goes to 7,000, 8,000, 9,000. Turn that off. And if it's similar, you just hold down the power button and it should put down safety lock. It counts down. Now it's on lock. So nothing will turn it on while you're traveling. I'm testing the USB-C connection, see if it'll charge. Now let's try the base itself. See if that works. Yep, charging. I think it only goes one way. It won't fit. So taking out the heads. Gotta press this button on both sides and remove. Flip on the next head. I think it only goes one way. Yeah, it won't work if you put it in wrong. It only fits one direction. Make sure it clicks in there. Before we begin, always inspect your shaver for damage, protect the battery life. Don't go below 32 Fahrenheit or above 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Allow 120 minutes for a full charge. Before you begin, remove the protective cover, which we did. Give your skin 2 to 3 weeks to adjust if you're new to foil shaving. Then you're gonna press the power button to switch it on. With one hand, you're gonna stretch the skin with the other while holding the shaver at a 90-degree angle and move it slowly against the grain using short back and forth strokes. This lifts the hairs and lets the long hair leveler trim longer stubble before the foil cuts close to the skin. Then when you're finished, you're just going to turn it off and replace the foil head with the protective cover. If you have sensitive skin, use the lower RPM or higher RPM if you have thick, coarse hair. So the battery life should last up to 90 minutes of runtime. When it falls below 10%, it'll flash rapidly to remind you to recharge. And for maintenance, you can turn it off. For the foil blade head, you're going to separate the foil from the cutters. They're magnetic. Grip the foil blade, head A, and pull it straight up. The foil head detaches magnetically from the inner cutters. Not this button here, but just above it. You're just going to place your hand on here and pull it straight up. After it's been removed, you can use the cleaning brush to remove any hairs that's in the cutters. or on the foil. Then once you're finished cleaning, you can attach the head back on, but if you put it in correctly, it won't attach. But if put on correctly, the magnetics will pull it together. And the same thing with the cleaning brush of the wide trimmer. Just clean it down, or you can also run it underwater. So the modular heads are replaceable and can be purchased separately. And technically they should be able to last about a year, but it also depends on how often you use them. Like for the foil shaver, if you use it every single day, they recommend you maybe replace it every 4 to 6 months. But if you only use it a couple times out of the week, maybe you can get 6 to 8 a month for that like new performance. As for the precision trimmer, if you use it every single day, they recommend to replace it every 6 to 8 months. But if you only use it a couple times out of the week, then you can replace it maybe 8 to 10 months for that like new performance. And this has been the Hummingbird MK17.